Once there was a cat that was different from her family. Her mother did not really like her because she was different. She was left in a bucket from her mother. Some people found her and raised her. But as she was growing up, she knew she could do some really amazing things. But one day, she met her mom and her brothers and her sisters. She tried saying meow, but all she said was woof instead of meow. But her family realized that she could do really awesome things. It was really fun, so that she got to meet her family. But she met somebody else that needed her help. She was a kitten sitter. And she met the same kind of cat. And she knew what to tell the little kitten. And she loved the little kitten because it reminded her of her. Once the cat fell from the balcony, she landed on a car and she saw her reflection. And it reminded her of the little kitten she saw. She loved the kitten so much that she went back to go see the kitten that she loved and reminded herself of her. The end. Boo Nike.
Oh my gosh, can you hold it up? You have to start to use their...
Hey guys, you should be getting behind. I stopped us 3 minutes ago.
Okay, that's your video. We don't want your video on there.
I couldn't get anything on. I don't know how you do it.
What is the,
I'm done.
okay, thank you. So what is the picture you want to stand in front of?
She wants to stand in front of a dog.
Did you find the dog?
Yeah, we had a dog. We can't find.
Did you save it?
I'm sorry. No, that would be someone creepy to be in front of. Still my flag. Can you save it?
Yeah. It's still recording. Why?